All right, this is case 26-19211, people of the state of Michigan versus Fiskers, Scott Jordan Fiskers. You, Mr. Fiskers, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right, counsel, please put your appearance on the record. I'd like to proceed.
Vincent Giovanni on behalf of Scott Fiskers.
All right, does your client waive reading the complaint? Does he stand mute?
Well, as to the one charge of resisting and obstructing,
He's
are
got
there
three
any?
counts.
I'm aware of the three counts. One is driving while license suspended. One is open intoxicants. In the third one, which is resisting and obstructing a police officer, is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Any descriptive information in the charge?
That on or about April 9th, 2026, in the city of Bloomfield Hills, that Mr. Fisker did assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger Sergeant Tell for a police officer of the Bloomfield Hills Police Department that defendant knew or had reason to know was performing his or her duties. That's a felony punishable by up to 2 years of prison and up to a $2,000 fine. A consecutive sentence may be imposed if the assault was committed in a place of confinement or another violation arising from the same transaction. Count 2 was on the same date and time that he operated a motor vehicle without a valid license, that his license was suspended, revoked, or denied. And that also on the same date and time that's a misdemeanor punishable of up to 93 days in jail and a fine of $500. And that on count 3, same date and time, he did transport or possess alcoholic liquor in a container that was open on capture, upon which the seal was broken in the passenger area of a moving vehicle or a place open to the general public. That's also a misdemeanor, punishable up to 90 days in jail and a $100 fine. You are presumed innocent until proved guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You've got the right to try the matter by judge or jury. You've got the right to remain silent. That sounds cannot be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney if you cannot afford one. Court will appoint one for you. With respect to the complaint, you've got the right to a preliminary examination within 21 days, where the prosecutor must establish the crime was committed. There's probable cause to believe you committed it. I am entering a plea not guilty for purposes of arraignment. Counsel, my inclination is a personal bond with standard conditions and an alcohol tether. Do you have any comment with respect to bond?
I was going to ask you for a personal bond. If you're willing to give him personal bond, I don't have any other additional comment necessary, Judge.
All right, so we'll set bond of $15,000 personal with the condition that defendant appear for any court proceeding, not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. They notify the court in writing if they change your address or phone number, not possess firearms or other dangerous weapons, refrain from using any alcohol, marijuana, or legal drugs, will be supervised by pretrial services, no criminal offenses or activity, and an alcohol tether prior to release. Next court date is a probable cause conference set for April 20th at 9 a.m. with his exam set for April 27th at 9 a.m. Both of those at the Bloomfield Hills District Court. All right, you're all set, Mr. Fiskers. If you push on the door, a deputy will be by to help. They'll let the next person in.
I have one question, Your Honor.
What's that?
Will he be able to get that tether at the jail today? Do you know?
I don't know what their scheduling is, but it's the paperwork's going to go over as soon as we're completed here.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Okay, good luck to you, counsel. Mr. Fisker, push on the door, and then they'll take care of you from there.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Yep.